Love is a choice or a feeling. Hello friends, this is Shuntel and today's share is about understanding that love can be a choice and love can be the having the right feeling. We must understand that love can be a feeling and a choice at the same time. Love often leads to psychologically changes in the brain that you can still decide whether you love ends or lasts. While you may not have much control over who you fall in love with, you may have a choice about staying in love with that person. You have a choice to do that. Either you control your feelings or you are going to use your brain. It goes beyond merely being heard. It's about feeling that your words hold importance to your partner. This feeling indicates emotional connection, trust, and vulnerability. Be vulnerable. True love feels less like adrenaline and more like the sense of calm. Your calmness lift with after receiving a much needed hug. Love can be complicated. It can be a choice or it can be a sudden feelings you have to accept. Love can be forced. Trying to force someone to love you is a futile endeavor that will only lead to a heartbreak. Remember that. Don't force love because it can lead you to a heartbreak and resentment. Remember that true love cannot be manipulated. That beautiful organic connection blossom when both parties genuinely care for and respect each other. You must have that connection, the right chemistry. We cannot force love, but mostly other people are forcing love because of their personal insecurity. People with low self-esteem or fear of rejection may force themselves to love someone as a way to boost their own self-worth. They may believe that being in a relationship will validate their value or make them feel desirable. But it is very difficult to handle that. Bottom line here, we cannot really force love. We must understand that it's absolutely possible to be patient, to wait for the right person to love you, to wait for that connection. Be patient to have that kind of person will come into your life. Do not force love because or else it will end a heartbreak. To avoid heartbreak, really, you must control your feelings. It may find that in no longer loving this person, you open yourself up to possibility or loving others or even yourself. So if you cannot force love to others, love yourself. Value yourself. Remember, if you really believe in God, you can believe that these things shall pass and understand that only God truly loves you unconditionally. It's not always easy to understand when it comes to this matter because it is mostly we are busy of having that human love, but that human love can be so very difficult when we are not using our head, our mind. Yes, it is a mindset work if we really want to choose that true love. You have to respect yourself. We cannot force love to others. We can only do the best we can to wait for the right person. Forcing love to others is very difficult. Believe me, I experienced that. We cannot really force other person to love us. We must just simply wait, be humble, and keep it to the Lord in prayer. If you take it to the Lord in prayer, God will give you the right person who will truly love you. And of course, we have to understand as well that love cannot be bought. We cannot buy love. We must just simply love ourselves first. The more you love yourself, the more you are accepting love from other people. But most of all, the way to understand this, that only God and God alone can love us unconditionally. This is Yuntel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.